Hey guys, you're watching Cutie Crafts or Cutie Cakes for today, and in this video I'm going to be trying to decorate this chocolate cake into a Minecraft birthday cake. This is for my 22nd birthday, and since this year is so special, I wanted to bake my own cake for the first time. Usually I would always get Asian supermarket chestnut cakes, which are my favorite, but I thought I would change it up this year and also incorporate some of my bead creations as cake toppers and beautiful decorations. Before we get started with decorating, I want to mention that this chocolate cake recipe is from How to Cake It, and it's called Yo's Ultimate Chocolate Cake Recipe. I'll leave her links in the description. Also, if you hear any scratching or splashing sounds, that's my turtle Koopa. Here I have two 9x13" chocolate cakes where I cut the edges off so that it's just a squarish cake, and this is going to be the main grass block where I'll put the toppings on top. And then I have a bunch of icing here. To cover all of it up. First, I'm going to fill the inside with my favorite cream cheese icing. And look, I got a new spatula just for this. Now I just have to put the second layer on top. Oh my gosh. Now the second layer is on top, and I have to cover all of the sides with chocolate icing. I added 2 strips of cake in an L shape, and this cake is from the side that I cut off previously, and this just adds a little platform that I'm also going to turn into little grass blocks so that it's not just a completely flat cake. With some of the leftover cake I had, I scrambled it up into this little dirt crumble, and this will go all around the cake so that it looks like a giant dirt block. This can get messy, so just put as much as you can on the sides first and then clean up later. It's looking very dirt-like now, and for the most fun part, it's time to put on all the grass. In this icing bag, I have some vanilla icing that I dyed green, and this has like a really small opening so I can make more detailed lines, and I am going to try to make pixel grass all around the edges of the cake and on top of the L shape here. If you really want it to look like pixely, it's probably better to work with fondant icing. It's all I have and all I know how to use, so it might not look really pixely, but I think from far away it looks pretty good, right? Does it look good? For the rest of the grass, we can go to the big tip, well, no tip, and just cover the whole thing in green. I left a little bit of a space here because I want to put like some little water area, and then the rest will just be the beautiful grass. I mixed some blue food coloring with the same vanilla icing, and this will go right here in the middle area, a little pool for this little tiny Minecraft world. This is what it looks like close up. I know it's not the prettiest, but you get the idea. It's supposed to be a Minecraft grass block and let's get to making the decorations to place on top. Starting with my custom Cutie Crafts or Mini Me Minecraft figure, these are all of the pieces that I made. The patterns for the pieces are all the same as my Minecraft Steve figure, so you can go to that video to get a closer look and just change up the color for whatever your skin is. I just added this extra hair layer because my skin has a bob cut, and if you would like to see a more thorough video where I show you how to customize your own Minecraft figure, let me know in the comments below and maybe I'll make that video someday. For now, I have a link in the description to my Minecraft playlist with all sorts of Minecraft figures that you can copy and make using mini beads so that they make great cake toppers. The beads I'm using here are ArtCal's Mini C-Series beads that I got in a set, and I have links all in the description if you want to check them out. I used mini bead rods to connect the body parts together, and this gives the head and the arms a little bit of movement so I can pose it on the cake. Since this year is extra special and blowing out candles doesn't seem like the safest thing to do these days, I made these Minecraft redstone torch candles that will never go out, so they will be lit forever and you can use them multiple times on different cakes and you don't have to worry about blowing them out. These are super quick to make, and the colors I used were red, orange, cheddar, yellow, white, brown, and light brown. I made 12 of these candles in total because I didn't want to use up all my beads for 22 candles, and my iron is set on the polyester setting. I'm using ironing film on top of the beads because this will give them a shiny finish, and I ironed for around 1.5 minutes on each side. You can always use the usual ironing paper or parchment paper to iron the beads, but instead of a shiny finish that you get with the ironing film, you'll get a matte finish, so it just depends on what you prefer, and I just wanted to make it fancy and give it a little bit of shine. While the torches cool, place a heavy book on top so that they stay flat. Here are all the redstone torches all done, and you can see they all have a shiny finish on the beads, just like with my Mini Me figure. With all of that grass on the cake, I definitely wanted to add a pop of color with some decorative flowers, so here I have 6 different Minecraft flowers that I made using mini beads again. There's the poppy, dandelion, cyan flower, pink tulip, oxeye daisy, and the nice lilac-y allium flower. I use the masking tape method for these mini bead flowers because some of the beads aren't actually touching each other, so when I fuse them, they're not going to stick. So I had to rearrange them so that they're closer together, and then I ironed with ironing film on the silk setting. This took around 1.5 minutes on each side. This is the cake, all done. I did not know it would be so hard to ice a cake, and I don't think I will ever become a baker. For the most fun part now, we are going to decorate this with our mini bead sprites and figures. So let me first decorate it with the flowers. Here's the poppy. Oh, it's standing up pretty well. Yay! I'm gonna put some up top here. Please stay. And I would recommend that you guys wash or rinse these a little bit before you place them on. These are made of food grade plastic, so it should be safe. Before you cut the cake, just take them off and wash them with water. You can use a little brush to get in between the holes, but they wash really easily, so you can use it again if you want to. All the flowers are on. It looks so cute. Yes. And then I have my mini bead fox, which is one of my favorite figures I've made. Go up here. I also have a mini bead bee, and this can balance if you put it in a little deeper. Yeah, perfect. I also have my Minecraft turtle who will go into this water. He is a big one. 12 candles. I don't know if there's still space here, but I'm gonna put a lot of them up here on top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And last but not least, the most important centerpiece. I put 2 mini bead rods in the leg so that it will help her stay balanced because the cake can be a little bit wobbly. And then she goes right in here like that. Perfect. One more thing, since I'm not turning 12, I got these sparklers. I would say one sparkler here is worth 10 candles because I only have 12 of the redstone torches here. And since I put a little opening on my right arm for the mini-me, I'm just gonna stick this through like that. And now she is holding a sparkler. Ooh, let me try it. Actually, I have a lot of them, so let me try it. Oops. Yay, it works! Oh my god, that's pretty cool. I hope you guys try this out too. Even if you don't make the cake, you can always make these cute decorations. You can check out the links in my description for all of the tutorials. I got this Minecraft tablecloth from Walmart. Let's see, how do I do this? Now this is a Minecraft birthday party. Except I'm only spending it with my close family. And I also got Minecraft plates. This is a pickaxe plate. I've never really bought party supplies, but we found these at Walmart, so pretty cool. And this tablecloth looks just like the cake, perfectly matching. And that's how you make your own Minecraft fuse bead decorations for any sort of cake. And thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time with another cutie craft. Bye!